Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna beat all the bosses with just a chainsaw. That sounds impossible, huh? Well, let's try it. We're gonna start off with the first boss. Start. It just took one hit. Let's move into the second boss, the dog. One hit as well. Third boss now. Moving into fourth boss. Oh, I hate this guy. I don't know why, but even though I could just kill him with 1-2 hits, it still kills me. Yes, I don't know how I'm gonna make this one alive. Let me try the laser gun. No, because if I get near him, I'm gonna die. I still have low health. As you can see, up in the upper left corner, it says level 10 for my health. That's too low. Well, I'm gonna risk it. There we go. I hate this boss. Right now, we're getting into more harder bosses. This one's also too risky. But it was still easy. Wow, that's just incredible. Just one hit with the chainsaw. Alright, now we're going into a harder flamethrower. Wow, these are all so easy. Right, we've been defeating every single boss. Now we're moving into our last one. Ultimate extreme boss. Which is my favorite because I get so much money. Could you guys believe that? I defeated every single boss, just one hit with the damn chainsaw. You're probably wondering why. As you can see, my chainsaw's maximum level. Yes, so cool. So cool! This one sucks. I don't even have the top guns yet. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe button. I'll see you tomorrow.